Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 81 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equals to 72, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we move toward the solution of this problem, and we have this is 81 to the power of x, and we write this 81 as a 9 square and its whole power is x plus this is 9 to the power of x is equals to 72. Here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so here we interchange both of these two exponents and it will be written as a to the power of n to the power of m. According to this rule of exponents, we need to interchange both of these two exponents and it will be written as 9 to the power of x and its whole square plus this will becomes 9 to the power of x is equals to 72. Further, in the next step, here we need to take the base of this term is equals to k, and we get here k is equals to 9 to the power of x. So when you put the base is equals to k, our above equation is written as k square plus k is equals to 72. And now you see here this equation will becomes into the quadratic form with variable k. So here we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we break its middle term to solve the or to make the factors of this equation. But here first we move 72 in the left hand side and it will becomes minus 72, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we break its middle term and it will be written as a k square plus 9k minus 8k minus 72, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So in the next step we need to take common k from here and we get the remaining values are k plus 9 minus here we take common 8 and we get the remaining values are k plus 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to take common k plus 9 and we get the remaining values are k minus 8, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write k plus 9 equals to 0, and the second case is we write k minus 8 equals to 0. From here we get the value of k equals to minus 9, and from here we get the value of k equals to plus 8. Here we move backward and we back substitute the value of k. It is 9 to the power of x, and when we substitute it here it will becomes 9 to the power of x is equals to minus 9, and in this case we get 9 to the power of x is equals to 8. So here you see that 9 to the power of x be the exponential function, and we know about that it cannot be negative. So here you have 9 to the power of x equals to minus 9. It is not possible case, so that we rejected this case and we will just proceed here this case only. And here in this case we need to rewrite this expression as in this form, or in other words we just take the log on both of the sides. So when we apply log it will be written as log of 9 to the power of x is equals to log of 8. So here we use the property of log and we move this x in the front of this log, and it will becomes x times of log 9 is equals to log of 8. So here further in the next step here we need to move this log 9 to the right hand side, so it will be written as x is equals to log of 8 divided by log of 9. So here we use another property of log and we write this expression as in this form. So according to this property of log, you know about that if two logarithmic values are divided by each other, then we just combine both of these two values in this way. So here when we combine the above values we will obtain our x is equals to log of 8 with base 9. So this is the final value of x which we get here in this problem. And in the next step here we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. For this we need to copy down given question statement here. Our given question statement is 81 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equals to 72. And here we substitute the value of x, but here we write this 81 as 9 square, and we substitute the value of x, that is log of 8 with base 9 plus, in similarly here we substitute the value of x, that is log of 8 with base 9, and we check that is this equals to 72 or not. So here we need little bit more simplification, and we move this 2 to the upside, and it will be written as 9 to the power of 2 times of log 8 with base 9 plus. In this case here you see that this log with base 9 and this base 9 are cancelled out by each other, and here we get only 8 is equals to 72 or not. This is the our claim. So here we move this 2 in the front in the exponent of 8, and it will be written as 9 to the power of log 8 square with base 9 plus 8 is equals to 72 or not. This is the our claim. Again you see here this log base 9 and this 9 are cancelled out by each other, and here we get this is 8 square, and we know about that 8 square becomes 64 plus 8 equals to 72. And here you clearly see that 64 plus 8 becomes here 72 equals to 72. This shows that both of the sides are equal, and we finally conclude about that the solution set of this problem is x is equals to log of 8 with base 9. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.